If you love magical stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was an old man with 3 sons who often argued with each other. This made their father sad because he wanted them to live happily together. One day, he called his sons and handed them a bundle of sticks tied tightly together. He asked each one to try and break the bundle. The first son tried, then the second, then the third, but none of them could break it. Then, their father untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick, asking them to try again. This time, they broke their sticks easily. The father smiled and said, "See, my sons, alone, each stick is easy to break. But when they're together, they're strong. If you work together, no one can harm you. But if you fight, it's easy to get hurt." The brothers finally understood and promised to stay united and care for each other. Moral: working together makes us stronger. Enjoyed the story? Tap that like button and subscribe for more magical tales.